Hey everyone, Mark from SnowOnly here. Just want to explain a little bit about the Les Gourmets. As you can see, it starts on the top tier of Morzine and then kind of goes down to the bottom tier. Here just is a little video to take you to the Super Morzine chairlift, starting from the centre of town by the tourist office. It's a short walk to the Super Morzine. I'll explain a little in a minute. As we go down this road, let me just explain here. This map comes up. We are on the top road here where it says Les Gourmets. So we're at the back of the development. You'll see here the development just coming into view. This is the back of the development here. So we're on the top section. If we turn around, as I said, you'll be in the centre of town for all your bars and restaurants. Completion is due in December 2026, so still a little way to go. I'll speed up this video a little bit here. There you can see that goes over to the Super Morzine, goes over to Avoriaz. We're just walking down the street. This is where you'd obviously come with your ski boots and your skis, walk along. You can go to Pleney, which is on the left, to get over to Léger, but this side is to get the Super Morzine cable car to Avoriaz, like a lot of people do. At the moment there is a Spartan World Championship. These people that are climbing over the bridge, which I'll show you. There is a hike to get up there. Just thought I'd film that. There is a lot of activity in town at the moment with the Spartan race, paragliding, loads of mountain biking, people running, just a hive of activity. So this view here I will show you a little bit later in the video. That is the view from the front side of the Les Gourmets. Obviously we enter on this road through the back side, but the views are over to the tennis courts, the mountain. So this is the Super Morzine. So didn't take long to get there, even though we sped it up a little bit. I would hazard a guess it's probably around 150 to 200 meters. I wouldn't say it's any more than that. Super easy walk to get to the Super Morzine. As I said, if you go to Pleney, I think it will be a little bit longer than that, but if you want to access Léger on the other side, super easy to get to. Just having a look at the cable cars here. This is the cable car to get you up the Super Morzine. That's the Spartan race and the bridge. And that is the Super Morzine chairlift to take you to the top. Now this is the view from Les Gourmets from the apartments looking out. So this is the typical view that you will get. Stunning view. As you can see here, the tennis courts, that's exactly what I'm filming there. So the views go out, so it gives you some orientation, always all the way down to the swimming pool with the water slides, the tennis courts, the skate ramp, all good.